Abigail. Look over here, baby. Look over here. Hey, baby. Just a nice curly hair. Yeah. Abigail has the hiccups. You got the hiccups? Head straight. Oh. There's nothing over there. Look at me. Look at me. There we go. Hi. Say hi to the world. Oh, look at those big eyes. Yeah, she had the hiccups. Look at your pretty pajamas. Look at your pretty pajamas. What does that say? Adorable. Yes, you are. What? You rolling over and turning? Oh, there's your tongue. Yeah. Oh! Bless you. Bless you. Got some curls over there. I see a curl. Okay. Say bye-bye.